This is a quite beautiful morning in Phobjikha Valley, and right now it's exactly 8 a.m. in the morning, and we are doing this beautiful nature trail walk in Phobjikha Valley. So actually we are supposed to finish this yesterday, but due to unfavorable weather, so we skipped and we are doing it now. And along with me, I have my 3 beautiful friends from India, Pune.
Hello.
Can you please say hi?
Hello.
All right. So yeah, guys, if you happen to visit Phobjikha Valley, please do not miss this, because it's not just a walk, it's more like you can exchange your emotion with the nature, and of course to breathe the fresh air here. Okay, can you please tell me how you are feeling right now here?
It's amazing. Very close to nature, and the air is amazing. It's amazing weather. It's perfect feeling. Thank you.
You can say Kuzu Sangpola.
Kuzu Sangpola. She's so nice.
That's how we greet in Bhutan.
Kuzu Sangpola.
And
So nice.
okay, excuse me, ma'am. Can I get your attention for a while? So could you please share me how you are feeling right now?
Very good. Very fresh.
Yep.
And I guess this is one of the best place I've been to. And I would like to come again to Bhutan.
Thank you so much.
You.
Thank you. Careful. Okay,
Hi guys.
yep.
So the air is so fresh.
Yep.
The weather is so romantic.
Yep.
And our guide is so good.
Yeah,
We
thank
are
you.
enjoying our trip. Yeah, bye.
Alright. So literally if you look at the river down there in that
Like
valley,
Yeah.
so it resembles more like a snake
Yes.
shape, isn't it? So again, there we have a beautiful oral story behind this, and the reason why we are seeing a lot of potatoes fields here instead of paddy cultivations and all. So once upon a time there used to be, let's say, 2 animals, snake and a wild boar, and they were having a marathon. Before they start their marathon, they said let's say bet. It's like if the snake wins the race, the people here, they're gonna cultivate more of paddy, more of rice than potatoes. But in case if that wild pig wins the race, the people here, they're gonna depend on potatoes. And they've start their race, and in the end it is believed that the wild boar won the race. So that's why currently we can see a lot of potato fields, and people like, let's say, people who reside in Phobjikha Valley, their primary source of income is potato.
And turnip.
Yep. And that's the reason now.
Okay. And is it like this?